What's up, guys? Today I am standing in front of one of our most recent purchases. This was a foreclosure. It's winter in West Virginia. This property we actually have been trying to buy for over a year. The bank wanted all $95,000 for it, and it just was too much money. I'm gonna walk you through it and then I'll discuss it once I get it out of the cold. We paid $49,000 for this house. We actually have one a couple doors down that was our first Airbnb, and it has just been a great property for us, close to the hotel, the hospital, close to the airport, close to restaurants, cancer center. So there's a lot of things that are going on close by. We're gonna gut this bathroom. And what I really specialize in, especially in Charleston where the market is not phenomenal, is maximizing the property, the cash flow, and only doing what's necessary to repair this property. We're gonna paint the entire house. We're gonna redo the hardwood floors, the original oak floors. And really what I'm looking for is how can I maximize the revenue with the minimal amount of remodel. I'll probably put new vinyl click in the kitchen and paint the cabinets. They're nice cabinets, they just need painted, and some new hardware. Got some granite on the countertops. Downstairs needs a little more work. I plan on just fixing upstairs first and then working on the downstairs after it's staged and rented on Airbnb. Probably paint the wood paneling, redo all the flooring. Bathroom is not terrible, just needs really cleaned up and painted and new flooring. We paid $49,000 for this property. We're gonna put about $5,500 in the bathroom. Painting is gonna be about $1,200. The flooring to refinish it's another $1,500. Painting the cabinets and new hardware in the kitchen is going to be $1,000, and then the new vinyl click downstairs and painting downstairs is going to be another $2,000. And then we have some deck repair that I have a quote for $400, tearing an awning off outside and some minor exterior repairs, a light and some tree trimming. That's going to be another $2,000. So when we're all said and done, we should be $65,000 or less in this property, and it's going to bring between $2,000 and $3,500 a month on short-term rentals to traveling nurses, contractors in and out of the area, and on Airbnb and VRBO. I want to walk you guys through it once I'm done with the process so you can see how it works, but this is a great way to get started into the rental business and short-term rental, and just want to share what we do here and how we do it, and hopefully that this helps you guys get motivated to get started. Please like this video if you found any value, and subscribe to my channel. I've been investing in real estate for over 30 years. I've been in the hotel business for over 30 years, and I really just want to share my knowledge here. So please subscribe and like. Thank you.